Hello pig farmers and pig lovers, welcome back to Edovasal Pig Farm. So this morning another delivery is going on by one of our sows. She has given us 6 already. The piglets are in their crib units, enjoying the heat from the heat source. Okay, they have been given Edovasal piglet cholesterol, and they are waiting for their mom to finish delivering, so that they can start suckling the cholesterol. All right, remember, if you need anything from us, today is 12th of September and the time is 3:54. So if you need anything, remember to let us know. Currently our WhatsApp, okay, yes, another one coming out. Okay, remember our WhatsApp was banned by Mark and his team. They say we are violating the animal commerce stuff, so they banned us. But as soon as they unban us, we'll continue again. But this time around, we'll be a bit more careful. Alright, so I will short the video so I can help this little guy that just came out now. Okay, that's why we encourage you to always stay around. If you are not living close to the farm, always encourage your workers to be around to help out whenever needed, especially when your sow is delivering. Okay, so I will short the video so I can dry this baby up, give it the piglet cholesterol and put it back inside. See, the womb is very warm. All right, remember, if you need anything from us, let us know on Edovasal let us know. For now, not on WhatsApp, just chat us up either directly on Messenger, or you chat us up on Telegram, or you give us a phone call, and we'll get you what you need. All right, so let's help this one, and see you in the next video.